show you how I put together my first custom mechanical keyboard. I just want to say I'm definitely not an expert, but I can kind of show you that journey of mistakes I made, any resources I used, and everything I did to put together my first keyboard. So here's the keyboard. It is the GMMK Pro 75% with a knob. It has Cherry Notion PBT keycaps, Durox stabilizers, Gateron milky yellow switches, and this super cute artisan that is a panda bow in a dim sum container by Canto Clicks. So first off, I'm watching some Teha videos trying to figure out how to lube these stabilizers. This is technically my second keyboard, but the first one I'm making by myself, so I'm trying to figure out what to do. Installing the stabilizers was kind of a struggle. I didn't realize you had to clip in the tops, so I screwed it and unscrewed it twice actually, which you're seeing here. And when I finished, I tried to put the polycarbonate plate on, but it wasn't fitting. But then this, like, it doesn't go down. This is the aluminum plate. If I just put it on, it just fits. Yeah, so I was pretty confused, but I decided to uninstall the Durox stabilizers and reinstall the original Goat stabilizers from Glorious just to see if the PC plate was defective or not. It was not. It did fit, so I reinstalled the Durox stabilizers and I kind of gave up and just used the aluminum plate. So at this point, I moved on to taking apart all of the Gateron milky yellow switches. This is the first time I've ever lubed switches, so it kind of took a while. I did it across 3 days actually. And lubing takes a long time, and I actually overlubed these on accident. So don't overlube your switches like I did. Here's a clip of me doing it in real time, real slow. I watched all of Marvel Infinity War. So that was nice. And just clipping them in, and they're all done. And I lost the spring on the way, unfortunately. So after like 5 hours of lubing, I'm finally installing these milky yellows in this board. I did accidentally bend like 1 or 2 pins when I was installing the switches, which I tested out, so I made sure to fix those before I put the keycaps on. And now I'm putting on the Cherry Notion PBT keycaps. These are designed by Bip. I bought them on Novel Keys. They actually came with the bad key on D and F. The bump is on the D instead of the F, so I asked Novel Keys to send me a new one, which they did super quickly, within a week actually, so I was really happy with that. And I'll be sure to add a sound test at the end of the video. So this is the keycaps, all installed, all done with the Bao Bao Artisan, and this is what it looks like.